Yee. And Richard Yee had a golden opportunity to get a basket there, but he used his shoulder to clear the player out. Ito si Gary David. Touch pass is enough to Thomas. And Thomas draws a foul. Pupunta naman sa linya ngayon si Stephen Thomas.
Roger Yap yung matatawagan ng foul dyan. 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Dalawang free throws para kay Steve Thomas. 5 points, 7 rebounds.
Malakas talaga mag-rebound itong import na ito. And you can almost book at least 15 rebounds for him every ball game. Aside from the fact na yun na nga, he's becoming Mr. Clutch para sa Air 21. Defeating Wellcoat in the dying minutes and defeating Magnolia in the dying seconds. Diba?
So 2-4-2 para kay Stephen Thomas. At ako, may namimiss ako eh. Namimiss ko yung traveling ni Thomas. Wala pang natatawag na traveling ha. Kasi ito, mga tatlong traveling violations
every game. At alam natin yun kasi nakailang cover na tayo ng Air 21.
Mukhang natuto na eh.
No traveling calls yet on Stephen Thomas so far here in the first half. Kirby Raimundo wants to challenge but he goes out. Roger Yap. Yap. Opening, but he drops it to Enrico Villanueva. It's talagang pass-first mentality si Roger Yap because the shot was his already.
Kanya na eh. Pwede na. Libre na yun eh.
Gary David. Pasok, TM Cress.
Slow start ito para kay Gary David. Only had 2 points in the first quarter at ito lang yung first basket ng sa second period.
Cuts the lead down to just 10 from a high of 14. James Yap, step back, jumper. Target practice.
Nonchalantly, Kung pasa, tapos dribble ang dalawa palabas. Tira pa na.
Alam mo yung mga fadeaway jumper na step back na ganyan. Naalala ko si Johnny Abarientos nung kasikatan talaga ni Johnny late 90s. Mid to late 90s. At ang ganda talaga na pinapakita ni Johnny noon. He used to use his opponent as target practice.
Oo eh. Yung mga matatangkad pa, hindi yung mga kasing tangkad niya, yung mas matangkad sa
si
kanya.
James Yap parang ganun din ang ginagawa di ba? Inatras na ng konti, tinirahan. Swak na swak. Gary David, bumawi naman.
Yan ang hinihintay natin shootout.
Ayun na nga. Yun ang hinahanap ko kanina pa. Gary David, of course, playing great. Coming all the way back from a knee injury.
Wow. Sorry, coach.
Back in the day, kayang-kaya ni Richard G. Coral yun.
Yeah. Nasa UST pa yan.
Oo. Homer's back in the ball game. Arwin Santos will take a rest. Well-deserved. And Purefoot has been able to stay afloat without Reda Ralimi on the floor.
Parang ibinangkuna dito sa second quarter si Ralimi, no?
And yet, double figures pa rin lamang nila. But Arboleda wants to change that. And he does with a TM press.
Ups, tatawag na ng timeout sa Coach Ryan.
Napatawag ng full timeout. Sensing the run of Air 21, cutting the lead in half. It stood at 14. Now it's only 7. Let's take a break and come back with 4:21 remaining.